Hi dear students, today we are going to see lesson 2 numbers and sequences. In that lesson, one particular topic we are going to see. What is the topic name? Arithmetic progression. Okay, now today we are going to learn about arithmetic progression. One definition they are given for arithmetic progression. What is that definition? Let me see. Let A and D be real numbers. So here A and D, two real numbers is that we have to consider two real numbers. Okay, A and D. Then the numbers of the form. Then the numbers. Which numbers? The real numbers. Okay, ma? What is that? The real numbers? Can you know? What are the numbers or real numbers? Yes, minus infinity plus infinity. That all numbers we can say in a real numbers. That real numbers, if you can write in this form, we can say that form is an arithmetic progression. What is that form? A comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d. If you can write that real numbers in this form, we can say that is an arithmetic progression. See, is said to form arithmetic progression denoted by AP. Arithmetic progression, instead of arithmetic progression, we can denote that AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. If anywhere you will see AP means, you can consider that is an arithmetic progression. Then in this form, first what they are given A, second what they are given A plus D. So this is in a first term. A plus D is in a second term. A plus 2D is in a third term. A plus 3D is in a fourth term, right? So A is in a first term. That only they are given. See, A is called the first term. And one more letter they are given. What is that letter name? D. What is the meaning of D? D is called a common difference. D is called a common difference. Okay. Here A is in a first term. A is in a first term. D is in a common difference. Can you understand, dear students? D is in a common difference. A is in a first term. What is an arithmetic progression form? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. This is an arithmetic progression form. Here A is in a real number. D is in a real number. A is in a first term. D is in a what? Common difference. Okay, can we see the one example? Then only you can learn clearly. No, so I am given here one example. What is that? 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12. Okay, students, here 2 4 6 8 10 12 they are given up to etc. They are given these numbers all real number, right? Yes. Okay, here see, this is in a sequence. What is in a first number? 2. So we can consider this as a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, up to etc. going. So already I said to you, first term, we have to denote a first term as a, right? So A equal to 2. Then D. D means what? Common difference. How we are going to find out a common difference? Listen, second term minus first term. Common difference, how we are going to find out? Second term minus first term. See, common difference is in a second term minus first term. What will come? 4 minus 2. How much will come? 2, right? Then D. Third term minus second term. This is in a third term, no? So second term minus first term, what will what you get? 2. Then third term minus second term. See, third term minus second term, 6 minus 4, right? How much? 6 minus 4? 2. That is also 2. See, can you check one more consecutive numbers? Difference of consecutive numbers? Yes. 8 minus 6. What comes? 2. 10 minus 8. What comes? 2. See, in all the terms, the difference will come 2 only. So, common difference. Difference means மைனஸ் பண்ணி வர்றதை தான் நம்ம டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ எல்லா கான்சிக்யூட்டிவ் டேர்ம்ஸோடைய டிஃப்ரென்ஸும் என்ன வருது? 2 வருது. ஸோ ஹியர் காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இஸ் 2. இன் திஸ் சீக்வன்ஸ் காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இஸ் 2. Common difference is there. right? In this sequence, common difference is there. So we can say this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. We can say this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. What is your condition? If one sequence have a common difference, means we can say that sequence is an arithmetic progression, that sequence in arithmetic progression. Okay, can you understand, dear students? Yes, this is a proper definition. Then I given here one example. I hope you can understand this. Okay, now shall we move example sums? Yes, listen. In book they are given example 2.23. If you have book, means you can take and listen. Otherwise, after listening this video, you can see in a book. Okay, listen. Example 2.23. What they are given means, check whether the following sequence are in AP or not. Okay, but we have to check the following sequence are in AP or not. அதாவது கீழே இருக்கிற அந்த சீக்வன்ஸ் வந்து ஏபியில் இருக்கா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு check பண்ணணும். That is a question. What they are given, what is that sequence? See, x plus 2, comma 2x plus 3, comma 3x plus 4, comma up to etc. Okay, so ஏபியில் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா என்ன இருக்கணும்? I gave one condition. என்ன இருக்கணும்? Common difference should be there, right? ஏபியில் இருக்கு, ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் ஏபியில் இருக்குன்னா என்ன இருக்கணும்னு நான் உங்களுக்கு டீச் பண்ணேன். காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ், இந்த மாதிரி காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஒரே மாதிரி காமனாக டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து காமனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can say that sequence is in AP. Okay, so here one sequence they are given. Okay, so here what is in a first term? So first term அப்படின்னு எழுதுறது பதிலாக நம்ம என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம்? A means what here? First term. Very good. What is in a first term here? X plus 2. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஏபியில் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு எது முக்கியம் நம்மளுக்கு? டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஓகேவா? தட் ஒன் we have to check now. ஓகேவா? டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் மீட் வாட்மா? செகண்ட் டேர்ம் மைனஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம், ரைட்? ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஃபார்முலா? செகண்ட் டேர்ம் மைனஸ் first term. What is your second term? See, second term. What is your second term? This is in a first term. This is second term. This is a third term. What is your second term? 2x plus 3. Okay, so what is here? Minus. As it is, you write that minus. Then we have to take a first term. What is that first term? X plus 2. So we have to write that x plus 2. Dear students, after minus, if two terms is there, means you have to put a bracket. Okay, can you understand? Then already I taught you, before the bracket if any sign is there, means we have to multiple inside, right? So what will come? 2x plus 3, as it is you write. So minus into x minus x, then minus into plus minus 2. Okay, ma'am. Now we have to simplify. First see variables. 2x minus x. How many x, dears? Yes, 2x இருந்து ஒரு x போயிருச்சுன்னா எவ்வளோ இருக்கும்? x. Then 3 minus 2, that one you know, plus 1. So what is the value? What is the value of difference? Dx plus 1 you found, right? Okay, now only one consecutive terms only we found out the difference. So then again you have to check a third term minus second term. Okay, wow. So same difference should be same difference. What is the difference value now here? X plus 1. Now we have to going to find a third term minus second term. See what will comes? Third term minus second term. இப்போ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? Now third term என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? What is that third term? 3x plus 4, right? So we have to write here 3x plus 4. What is here? Minus. As it is, you have to write. Then we have to take a second term. Okay, what is here second term? 2x plus 3. That one you have to write here. 2x plus 3. Already I teach you. Okay, after minus, if two terms is there means we have to put a bracket. So before the bracket, if any sign there means we have to multiple inside, right? So now what will come? 3x plus 4. Minus into plus, minus 2x. Then minus into plus, minus. Okay, what will come? 3. Now we have to simplify this one. Okay, 3x minus 2x, how many x? From 3x, 2x if you minus, what will come? Yes, x only will come. 4 minus 3 plus 1. What is this value? Difference. See? Now here also we got a difference value x plus 1, right? Here also we got a difference value x plus 1. Now what we got? Second term minus first term, what came? X plus 1, right? So this is also x plus 1, right? Difference. So here common difference same, no? Same common difference came, no? So we can say this sequence is in AP. ஏபியில் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா என்ன தான் இருக்கும்? என்ன கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது ஏபியில் இருக்குது. சப்போஸ் இங்கே எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 1 வந்துச்சு, இங்கே டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் 2 வந்திருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இது ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவலாக இல்லை. தென் வி கேன் சே திஸ் சீக்வன்ஸ் இஸ் நாட் இன் ஏபி அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக வந்துச்சுன்னா ஏபியில் இருக்குது. டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் ஈக்குவலாக வரலையானா ஏபியில் இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். கேன் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? எஸ். நவ் ஹவ் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு கன்க்ளூட் this? Here common difference is same. Okay, here what common difference is same, right? Common difference, okay, is same. So the given sequence, what is that given sequence? X plus 2, 2x plus 3, 3x plus 4 up to etc. is in AP. Okay, is in AP. Like you have to conclude, right? Here common difference is same. So the given sequence, sequence is in AP. Can you understand, dear students, how to check whether one sequence or sequence are in AP or not? Yes, common difference should be in a equal. Common difference equal இருந்துச்சுன்னா we can say that sequence is in AP. Okay, ma? Can we see examples? Exercise sums? Yes, listen. If you have book means you just turn the page 62. You just turn the page number 62. Okay, they're given, listen, exercise 2.5. Check whether the following sequence are in AP. Okay, same as it is. How I taught you, like that you find out. Okay, no problem. You write in your maths note, right? Okay, see, first question I will explain you questions. Okay, so you don't worry. A minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 7, they are given. This is in a first term, this is second term, third term. So sequence la irukka illaya ni check pananum. Okay, so how we are going to check? Common difference we have to find out. So second term minus first term you have to find out. Then third term minus second term if you have to find out. Same difference same difference will come means you can consider this sequence is in AP. Same process. Okay, second term minus first term. Okay, how it come? For example, I will explain you. 1 minus 3 second term. See, second term minus first term, no? So 1 minus 3 minus first term, what? 1 divided by 2. This is a fraction, right? If two fraction, if you are subtracting means denominator should be in equals. Okay, so you have to cross multiple. 2 ones are, what will come? 2 minus 3 ones are 3 divided by 3 twos are 6. What will comes? Minus 1 divided by 6. right? Okay, ma'am. Like that you have to find out a third term minus second term. If same answer will comes means you can consider the sequence in AP same as it is. This one also, this one also, this one also. You just try, okay, ma'am. Then only you can learn. Without try, we can't learn anything. No, yes, you try. If you don't know means you ask me, okay, where you call to me and ask, I will explain to you. You just once you try. If you can't understand means again you watch this video and you can understand easily. Okay, dear students, I hope you will do. You have to write this one in your maths note, classwork note. Okay, ma'am. First you have to write like this. Okay. Second lesson, arithmetic progression. How I am writing here, like that you have to write in your classwork note. Okay, ma'am. First this one you have to write. Okay. Then this example you have to write. After that only you have to write this exercise in your maths note. Okay, this exercise first question you have to write in your maths note. Can you understand, dear students? If you have any doubt means you call me. Okay, thank you.